The Rise of Arun, a tale of determination. In the quaint village of Lakshmipur, nestled in the heart of India, lived a boy named Arun. Born into a poor family, Arun's life was filled with hardships and challenges from a young age. His father, Ram, was a farmer who toiled in the fields from dawn to dusk, and his mother, Sita, worked as a maid in the nearby town. Despite their hard work, they struggled to make ends meet. Arun was the eldest of three siblings and felt a strong sense of responsibility towards his family. He was determined to change their fortunes, but the path ahead seemed daunting. The village school had limited resources, and Arun often studied under the dim light of an oil lamp after helping his parents with their chores. One evening, while Arun was engrossed in his books, his father approached him with a concerned look. Arun, I know you have big dreams, but our situation is tough. We can barely afford to buy food, let alone support your education. Arun looked up at his father, his eyes filled with determination. Baba, I understand our difficulties, but I believe that education is the only way to break free from this cycle of poverty. I will work hard and find a way to achieve my dreams. Ram sighed, patting Arun's shoulder. I believe in you, son. Just remember, hard work and perseverance can overcome any obstacle. From that day forward, Arun's resolve grew stronger. He woke up early every morning to help his father in the fields before heading to school. In the evenings, he studied diligently, often burning the midnight oil. His teachers noticed his dedication and began to provide extra guidance and support. One day, the village received a visit from Mr. Sharma, a retired professor who had moved to Lakshmipur to spend his retirement years. He heard about Arun's determination and decided to meet him. Impressed by Arun's intelligence and dedication, Mr. Sharma offered to tutor him for free. With Mr. Sharma's guidance, Arun's knowledge and confidence grew. He participated in various academic competitions and won several awards, earning the admiration of his peers and the village. However, Arun knew that his ultimate goal was to secure a scholarship to a prestigious college, which would open the doors to a brighter future. As Arun prepared for his final school exams, he faced numerous challenges. His family's financial situation worsened when his father fell ill and could no longer work in the fields. Arun took on additional responsibilities, working part time jobs to support his family while continuing his studies. Despite the difficulties, Arun remained focused on his goal. He performed exceptionally well in his exams and secured a scholarship to a renowned college in the city. The news brought immense joy to his family and the entire village, who celebrated his success with pride. Leaving his village and family behind, Arun moved to the city to pursue his higher education. The city was a new world for him, filled with opportunities and challenges. He faced cultural differences, language barriers, and the pressure of competing with students from privileged backgrounds. Yet, Arun never wavered in his determination. He worked hard, excelling in his studies and participating in various extracurricular activities. Arun also found part time jobs to support himself and send money back home to his family. His professors and classmates admired his resilience and dedication, often seeking his help and advice. One day, Arun came across an announcement for a national level competition in entrepreneurship. The winner would receive a substantial cash prize and the opportunity to present their ideas to top business leaders. Arun saw this as a chance to make a significant impact and decided to participate. He worked tirelessly on his project, focusing on developing a sustainable business model that could benefit rural communities like his own. His idea was to create a platform that connected farmers directly with buyers, eliminating middlemen and ensuring fair prices for their produce. On the day of the competition, Arun presented his project with confidence and passion. His innovative idea and clear vision impressed the judges, and he was declared the winner. The cash prize was a significant boost, but the real reward was the opportunity to present his idea to potential investors. Arun's project attracted the attention of several investors who were keen to support his vision. With their backing, he launched his platform, named Kisan Connect. The platform quickly gained popularity among farmers and buyers, transforming the lives of many rural communities. As Kisan Connect grew, Arun never forgot his roots. He continued to support his family and invested in the development of his village. He built a new school with modern facilities, ensuring that the children of Lakshmipur had access to quality education. He also initiated various social and economic development projects, creating job opportunities and improving the standard of living for the villagers. Arun's journey from a poor boy in a small village to a successful entrepreneur and change maker was a testament to the power of determination, hard work, and self belief. He proved that no dream is too big and no goal is too difficult to achieve if one is willing to work for it. His story became an inspiration to many, reminding them that with perseverance and the right mindset, anything is possible. Arun's life was a shining example of how dreams, when pursued with passion and commitment, can become a beautiful reality. As Arun looked out over the fields of Lakshmipur, now flourishing with prosperity and hope, he felt a deep sense of fulfillment. He knew that his journey was far from over, as there were still many challenges to overcome and lives to change. But with each step he took, he carried the lessons of his past and the dreams of his heart.